Hi, my name is Bree and I'm excited to give you a little information about my business, Bree's Botanical Garden Tours. So my name is Bree Xavier and I offer guided tours of our favorite place, the Alaska Botanical Garden. I offer tours year-round, but usually there's more to see between April and September, but the garden is a year-round destination. I offer the tours because I love ABG and I wanted to spend as much time as possible there while also being my own boss, so doing tours was the way I could achieve both of those goals. A little more information about the tours themselves. So they are scheduled for about an hour and a half, but the pace depends on the guests that are on the tour. The hour and a half leaves enough time to also stop at the gift shop and ask any questions and take lots of photos. The prices do vary depending on the season and the group size, and the entry fee is included in your tour price, and ABG members also have a discounted rate. Different ways that you can book a tour, so you can do so through Airbnb, their experiences page. Bree's Botanical Garden Tours you'll see listed there as a tour option in Anchorage. Also, I have a Facebook page. It's at Bree's Botanical Garden Tours, and that's on Facebook, and really appreciate it if everyone could give that a like and help me out there and spread the word. Also, I have my own website, so it's breezetours.com, and you can go there, and actually there's also merchandise there. You can purchase different items that are botanically inspired, and some things have my fun Mechanopsis logo on them. COVID-19 protocols that I will follow on the tour will be based on state and local health mandates. I'll also be following any additional ABG mandates. We do maintain social distancing. I keep the tour size to a maximum of about 8. Some flexibility there for parties that are all together. So thank you very much for taking the time to listen for a little more information about my tours, and I hope to see you on a tour this summer. Bye.